She stands tall, an eternal guardian of the earth, mountains carved from silence and peace. Yet beneath this tranquil beauty lies a sleeping giant, a hidden pulse, a heat waiting for the perfect moment to announce its presence. But what happens when this giant decides to wake up? Sound effect, deep, faint heartbeat. Before the earth screams, it whispers. Gentle tremors, felt only by the most sensitive instruments. Gases seep from the depths, carrying warnings only nature understands. Even the animals sense the coming danger and flee. The countdown has begun. Sound effect, faint, rising ground vibration. Deep beneath our feet, kilometers below the surface, lies its fiery prison. Molten rock at unimaginable heat seeks a way out. Pressure builds, rocks fracture, and the immense energy begins its inevitable journey upward. Sound effect, muffled rock cracking and bubbling magma. The decisive moment. The earth can no longer contain its fury. A deafening explosion shatters the silence, sending its fiery message to the world. There's no turning back now. The beast is awake. Sound effect, thunderous explosion followed by roaring wind. This isn't mere smoke. It's a tower of hell stretching to the edge of the atmosphere. A colossal column of ash, gas, and pulverized rock, generating its own lightning and turning day into endless night. A breathtaking horror. Sound effect, deep, continuous thunder rumbling within the cloud. But the greatest danger isn't what rises, it's what falls. A hurricane of searing ash and gas, faster than any car, hotter than molten metal. The volcano's deadliest weapon, leaving behind nothing but silence and death. Sound effect, roaring avalanche-like collapse. And as the burning storm sweeps across the land, another army follows, a river of liquid rock moving with slow, unstoppable determination. It doesn't destroy by speed, but by persistence. It reshapes the land itself, building a new world upon the ruins of the old. Sound effects sizzling, crackling lava burning through wood. After the fiery storm, silence, a colorless world suffocating under a gray shroud. Ash is not just dust, it's shards of glass and stone, heavy enough to collapse roofs, toxic enough to poison air and water alike. Sound effect, faint wind carrying drifting dust. The aftermath doesn't stay local. Winds carry volcanic ash across the globe, changing the colors of dusk and dawn. A single massive eruption can alter the planet's climate for years, a paradox where Earth's inner fire brings temporary cold to its surface. Sound effect calm, mysterious background score returns. But from the womb of devastation, life is reborn. The ash that choked the Earth yesterday becomes the planet's richest soil today. The eternal cycle of nature, destruction paving the way for creation. The Earth's furious power is never just an ending, it is always a new beginning. A timeless reminder of its unmatched force and of our duty to respect it.